What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at AppGrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make free Bitcoin watching videos online. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And very, very soon, 2 people are going to win some free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really is going to help out my channel and help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, opinions, or concerns about this video. Now, before I get into this method, I just want to say, guys, thank you. Thank you for getting me to 4,000. I'm almost there. I'm 40 subscribers away. I know I'm gonna get there probably by the end of, before next week. Right now I'm filming this on a Saturday. So I'm anticipating in a couple of days, I'm gonna hit 4,000. And I'm gonna do, whenever I hit 4,000, I'm gonna do a live stream and go ahead and reward the winners on there, you know, whoever I pick. So I'm gonna reward them with 2 people with the free money. So you still have time. So if you're new and you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, drop the comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. You might get picked. Okay guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I don't want you to miss any of this important information, because if you just look at half of it, you're going to be lost. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, grind family. Okay guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. It's called ESPTCO. So on this website, you're going to be able to watch videos and also view ads, but we're going to focus on watching videos. So once you watch the video, you're going to earn Bitcoin. So let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit about this website. So right here, it says earn Bitcoins by viewing advertisement, earn by testing out apps, doing survey and watching videos online, guaranteed ads daily, unlimited earning potential, earn referral bonus by inviting your friends to earn alongside with you, instant payments, deposit directly to your ESPTCO account, and earnings are synced to your ESPTCO with no delay on earnings. So now the thing is, when you view a video and you earn some Bitcoin, and as they say, it's going to go into this account called ESPTCO. Now, you can withdraw that Bitcoin and put it into another account or another website called Coinbase. So let me show you right quick. This is Coinbase. And right here, when you go here, you can sign up, become register with this website. And once you transfer your Bitcoin over here, you can have it to be transferred into US dollars or any other currency and have that deposit direct into your checking account or savings account. So guys, you won't have to keep the Bitcoin. You can trade that Bitcoin into cash. So let's go back here. Now I'm going to show you how this works. I have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and go into my account right now. Okay guys, I'm in my account, and let's just go ahead and go to videos. So these are the videos you're going to be looking at. Now let's look at this one right here. You don't have to watch it for 60 seconds, so you don't have to watch it that long. And this is how much Bitcoin that you're gonna receive, 615.83. I know that sounds like a lot, but it's not that much. But as you keep doing this, you see all of them are about the same amount that you're gonna receive once you look at a video. But let's just look at the video, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one where it says another snow day. Okay, here's the video. And as you can see right here, 60 seconds left. So you just gotta watch it for 60 seconds. I'm probably gonna go ahead and fast forward this and show you what happens after you watch the video. Okay, the video is done. All you gotta do is click right here where it says I am human. Then you have to fill out this. So it says look for trains. So you just click on wherever you see a train. And boom, there you go. Then down here it says submit capture. Just click that. And that's it. As you can see right down there, it says you have earned 615.83 ES coins. Click here to close. So that's it. And you accumulate that and you just go to the next one. So you don't even have to really watch the video. You can just click on it, walk away, do something else, come back in a minute, and then click submit and go to the next one and keep accumulating Bitcoins. Now, let me show you something else. Here's view ads. So I went ahead and went to view ads, and you can view an ad. It's just going to take you to a site and you view an ad and you earn this much Bitcoin. So they have all different amounts on here. It's real easy. I'm not going to go through the ad. And they have other offers. Yeah, here's the offer walls. So right here, you can go shopping, and you can do surveys, sign-ups, trials, apps. So you can click there and do that. So they got a lot of things on here you can do to make some Bitcoin. And let me just go to my dashboard, just show you how that looks. So here's the dashboard right here. So it just shows you the week performance, shows you your earnings, shows you all the popular offer walls, as you can see right there. Recent offers, and that's it. So let me show you one other thing. Now, if you click right here, it's going to show you people that are getting Bitcoin for watching videos. So right here, this user, 740 Bitcoins, or they call it stash. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Tashashi, something like that. But, and see, they withdraw that, and they got 10 Bitcoins right here, 1,036 Bitcoins right here. So all these people are making this Bitcoin and withdrawing it. And like I said before, you can go here, open up an account at Coinbase, and be able to transfer your Bitcoin over here and withdraw it into your bank account if your currency is US dollars or pesos or whatever. So that's it, guys. So if you want to go ahead and start earning some Bitcoin watching videos, go to ESPTCO.com. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get about 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. And guys, I want you to check out my other channel. It's called Random Reg TV. The link gonna pop up here in the video. Go over there, subscribe, because I'm giving away free money over there also. So please subscribe, check out my videos, like them, and share them. And once I get to 2,000 subscribers on that channel, I'm gonna give away some free money. And one other thing, guys, I have a podcast. I have a podcast show, and the name of that podcast is Hustle, Grind, and Grow. On that podcast, I talk about how you can start your own business without any money, how you can continue to run your business and grow your business with all types of tips, strategies, and habits that you can use on a daily basis that will help you grow your business and also help you increase your life, help you to grow as a person. So go check that out. It's in the description below, and share that podcast on all social media networks. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks again for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys' help. I really appreciate you guys' support. Continue to keep watching, and I'm going to continue to keep bringing this good content and also give away some free money. So let's get to 4,000 and then immediately get to 5. And my goal is to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. I know we can do it, guys. I know we can do it. All I need for you guys to do that's already subscribed is share it every day. All right, that's it, guys. I'm finished. I'm out of here. Thanks again. And make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.